Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this video edit, this outfit of the day video edit for your TikTok video. So I hope this can give you inspiration. So what you need to do first is copy the video and make one of the video as overlay like this. Then remove the background of the overlay, so go to the remove background and I'm going to just use the auto removal. Just wait until the background is fully removed, okay, until it turns to green in here. Oops. Okay, so after the background has been removed, just go to stroke and here you can choose any type of stroke that you want. I'm going to use this solid color and I'm going to lower the size to around 24. Now we can just go back and here go to effect, video effect, click on or find on the texture category and then add the blue mosaic effect for the background. Here you can add adjust the texture and size as you like. Okay, I'm going to go with this, and after that adjust the duration for whole clip like this. And here what you need to do is add stickers. I'm going to go to stickers and here just find the arrow sticker, click on enter. Okay, I'm going to use this one. You can use any arrow sticker that you like, but I'm going to just use this. Here you can adjust the position, and the arrow here can be used to explain or give explanation for your outfit. You can use brand or maybe type of the outfit that you use. So I'm going to write tags. Here I'm going to write just blouse. You can use any font or style that you like. I'm going to go with this one. Click on a check icon, adjust the duration. Here put where the arrow is pointing. So I'm going to go with here. You can also add animation, and here I'm going to add for the in, let's add the wave in, and for the out, wave out. This one, and you can also add some loop. I'm going to add the wave. Okay, click on the check icon so the text will go like this. Okay, now you can just repeat the steps for other tags. Okay, so later the result will go like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.